What's up guys? Today we are going to talk about automating collection process using CRM, call center software and a mobile app. So as we all know, this banks, insurance companies, credit card companies and NBFC who provide loans have to do this collection process. Generally this collection process is outsourced to what we know as collection agencies. So these collection agencies hire a lot of people and they do the collection on behalf of banks. Generally, any one collection agency will be doing work on behalf of more than one bank. So this collection agency has more than one process. The process generally goes like this. First, this collection agency will receive the collection data from the bank and then they assign and distribute it to agents. And then these agents do calling to the borrowers or from whom the money is to be received. Then there are field agents who do the actual collection process, and there is reporting which goes back to the bank. Now generally this entire process is done manually or without any sophisticated tools, and it requires lot of time, effort, in fact lot of energy is wasted in that. Of all these tasks, this assigning and distribution to agents is done manually. It takes lot of time and effort. There is a huge clerical job required in it, and then agents do calling. Now since the calling is not automated, they take mobiles and dial each and every call manually. And then the reporting which is done manually, it requires lot of effort on the part of this collection agency to create the report, and it takes lot of time. Plus most of these banks require this reporting in a very different format. Also these banks will give the collection data in different formats. So there is lot of data analysis and data summarizing to be done by the collection agents. Now let's discuss how this is done using CRM, call center and a mobile app. So let's go step by step. Data import. The collection data which is to be imported into CRM is templatized, so it is almost automatic. And if you have different banks, we have different templates for importing the data. Then allocation in assignment is also almost automated using the rule-based concept. So you have different rules for allocating and assigning the data. So that also happens almost automatically. Dialing, which is the most time-consuming part, is also rule-based and auto-dialing. So the agent doesn't have to dial each and every number. The dialing happens automatically. Reporting, which is the most time-consuming part for any collection agency. There are various templates for various banks, and all the reports required by those banks are readily available in the solution. Now let us understand the various components of the solution and how this entire thing is going to work. This is the structure of entire solution. There is a server called Synapse. This NJ Synapse is a telephony server. This is going to handle all your calls, and this Synapse supports PRI line, GSM line, landline, any kind of line that you have. It can also support SIP. And then there is a CRM which will handle all your database and dialing and everything else. These are your agents who will be sitting in your office. When the data is imported into CRM and then it gets allocated to these agents, so this agent doesn't have to do anything. When he comes to the office and starts his day, he just says start and the calling happens automatically. So from here the calls will go through Synapse and it will land to the person from whom the money is to be collected. If that person says that you call me after 2 days or 3 days, or if he doesn't pick up the call, the server is intelligent enough to dial that call again. So the next contact date or next follow-up date is automatically managed by CRM. Now what happens if the person says, okay, you send the person for collecting. So now the agent sitting here will just assign that particular record to this field agent. And this field agent is carrying a mobile app. So he will receive a notification on his mobile app with all the details of this borrower on his mobile app, and he goes to the customer to collect the money. And now when he goes to the customer, this mobile app has a facility that he can log receipts from there itself. The visit, the geographical location, time and everything is also logged automatically. So as soon as this fellow receives the money or makes any log of the record of visit, this fellow is updated. So this CRM gets updated. So by this what happens is that entire process gets automated and the reports are ready made. So you don't have to do lot of number crunching for creating reports. All reports are readily available and they can be customized. Let me talk about the reports available to you from this system. So you can get all the reports about the efficiency of an agent. So agent wise call reports, how many calls were done, how many calls attended, how many calls picked up, how many calls dropped, or how many calls missed. Everything you can get from this. Then you can get also reports pertaining to any particular client, or campaign wise reporting is also available. Then the month end reporting, this can be in various different formats, so you can also customize this reports. And then you can also create custom reports. Some other thing which is not covered above, you can create your own reports for this. So as far as reporting is concerned, we have got you all covered. Reports can be extracted in a spreadsheet or in PDF, or they can also be sent as an email directly. Let's talk about certain additional features that this solution provides. This Synapse will do all the work of call recording or call distribution or auto dialing, and everything is handled by this Synapse server. All the call scheduling or the next follow-up date management or reporting or data imports or any activity related to database is managed by this CRM. Everything that happens on the field, whether the agent has to collect some photographs or some documents or collect the payment and even create an e-receipt, is possible using this mobile app. And then this entire solution, this Synapse and this CRM and this mobile app are talking to each other, so everything happens seamlessly. One more thing, this entire solution supports multiple campaigns, which in other words means that you might have 200 agents, and out of that 200 agents, 40 agents are working on one particular bank or one particular customer. So they will get calls related to those customers only. They will see data and reports related to that customer only. One more advantage, or the biggest advantage of using this CRM, is everyone sees data only relevant to them, and this entire data access control can be defined by the administrator. I am specifically not showing you any screenshots or the demo of how this will work. I hope this made sense for you. If you require a demo, we are just a call away, or you can send an email to us. Please note down the address below where you can send an email or give us a call. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.